They are on. The entrances are on. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go.
I kind of changed my original entrance.
Oh, everyone, look! Come on, guys! It's Ben.
It's Loverboy Bradbury.
What the?
So to celebrate those guys being back together, they first have to fight each other.
Of course. It's kind of like, let's get the beef over with sketchy ass entrances. Like little pops in between. Little shimmy.
Oh! You remind me, I have a thing I want to present. A little...
we're not going to suck you off.
No.
Not that yet.
No matter
not
what
yet.
the size is.
Not yet. Not yet. I wasn't. Not yet.
Oh, there's Benji with his...
Loverboy.
Oh, it's Alice, you're next.
Oh.
Here we go again.
Oh, you're feeling it. Oh. Look at him.
Under.
Look at him. He's feeling it, man. That's all you need.
I'm really feeling it.
Vibe with it, boys. Come on. And that money glasses. Thank you, goddamn Johnny Mundo.
I'm really feeling it. I'm really peeling it.
That's a confident little shit.
I love it, guy. Yeah, show him the money. Yeah, boy. Ooh, money.
Alright, next up is...
I bet it's Cindy Cameron.
Yeah, I got a little proposition for you guys later. A
Okay.
little idea I had.
I like
on
propositions.
this.
It looks like he's running for president. Make WWE great again. We need to build a wall to keep...
When did you put the suit on?
We need to keep
he did that
SmackDown.
recently. That's a more recent change he did.
Okay. So you guys have been meeting up without me, bitches.
Sorry. It happens.
It was before you, wasn't it? Before we met him on the bus.
in my cuckolding.
Yeah, it was that.
Looks to me like he'll settle for nothing short of a victory here in this one.
You guys ready? And...
Can you afford pyro? No.
I just love how the glitch is part of his backstory now.
Raise your hands if you want a wall.
That's what I was
Yeah.
Okay.
Build the wall. Build it today. Build it with the cuckold.
I think
Build the wall today.
this is
backs away.
I think this is Ellis's first time seeing the mistakes intro.
Oh, actually, I haven't seen it. Is it like...
I've changed it from the original.
Oh, it's Kane.
Here we go, Ellis.
Oh my god. Oh, fuck me. It looks so fucking menacing.
He's just walking there, menacingly.
Oh shit.
Oh god. Something's
This is gonna
cooking,
be
this
too honest.
bacon. Here we go. The scars on his chest tell him the battles he's been through.
Also.
Hank Bacon is not a man to be trifled with. Everyone in that ring is just a walking grill for the man called Hank Bacon.
Used to be known as Hank Bacon. He's only the mistake now.
Only now named the mistake. Is the pizza over? I think so.
What the fuck?
I mean, I love
That's fast service, if I say so myself.
almost too fast. Almost too.
I'm concerned.
Yeah, we have an oven. Oh,
Let's
there's
go.
Loverboy,
We just
and there's
finished this one
Choco
quick.
Thunder,
As soon as
there's
we're
the cuckold, and finally there's the mistake. Can these four competitors finally get along and
Stay
hug it
tuned
out?
to find out.
Oh fuck.
Ready?
I'll probably be getting distracted halfway
My God.
through this thing anyway, so it's all good.
Wait, Scott's the one who comes in, so...
Alright, whenever you're ready, Scott.
I don't want to go, Mr. Mistake! I don't want to go!
That's loud. Turn that down. There we go.
I don't want to go, Mr. Mistake! I don't want to go! No!
I don't think I'm... Oh, okay, there we go.
Fuck you! Get him out the ground! No, the lace! Yes! Yes, take him down! Oh, fuck you!
Oh,
Fuck you! I'm out. Laters. As soon as I can get out of the ring. As soon as I can get out of the ring. Yeah, boy. Out.
Ah, fuck. I didn't see that coming.
Goodbye, Mr. Mistake. Yes, this guy.
Oh, no.
This guy. Boom.
Oh no, you don't.
No, I can't lock onto you.
Yeah, I know. I can't get out. I'm gonna go for a little stroll.
Try getting down from the. Oh, he's got a chair. Choco, he's got a chair. Help.
You're targeting me. How did you hit him instead?
I don't know. Ah!
Rip. He needs to target him, Scott.
I thought it was. I thought once you hit the guy, you start targeting him. That's usually how it works now.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, it's got a fucking bat.
Yeah, skill. Uh-oh.
Oh my god, get the fuck up. This is not what you want. Oh my god, he's up. He's up. He's up. Grab the fucking bat. Grab the fucking bat.
Oh, damn.
Thanks for the delivery, Ellis. Amazon Choco.
Ah. I will fight you.
Don't worry about it, I'm helping.
Ellis, wait.
I got him. Yeah.
Oh, Ellis. Oh, he's dead.
You did
Okay.
it.
Ellis, I've got to fight you now.
No, what?
Taking the sleep.
Nice.
To fight. Oh.
He dabbed
A
Scott.
man who dabbed in 2018. Fucking miracle.
Okay, well, I've got shit to do.
Ah.
He's starting to feel it here.
He's really feeling it. Oh no, he said the words. He dabbed.
We have
He
to
dabbed.
hit him. He dabbed. And must.
Nice.
Later, nerds.
Hey, hit him for me,
I'm gonna
Scott.
get my health back on the
That's
corner
how I
ring.
get you up.
Ow, that wasn't picking me up.
I see you.
Yeah,
You can't reach me.
Ah.
yeah, thanks.
Oh, I'm gonna endure. Oh, okay. Grab him. No, wrong person.
Grab him, you idiot. Get him a second. No, I've got it.
Oh my
My
god.
turn. My turn.
No, please. It was just a dab.
And you must pay.
Your turn back. No, I ain't having that.
But this could be a pivotal point in this match.
He still has green health. Get him. Don't back up.
Hey, it's a mistake.
to my help.
I need to approach with caution all the time.
Sorry.
Get up, mistake. Oh, he's got a chair. Oh, thanks, buddy.
He said would you like?
Thanks, Scott.
There's no room for error. Oh, why? He still has green health, you monster.
Who's it gonna go for?
He's been gambling
Found it.
There's plenty of reward that goes along.
Oh,
I fight.
I thought you reversed this.
Yeah, I didn't know there was gonna be a second one, so I wasn't prepared for that.
Ah!
Do I mean it?
Let's go.
Chuck,
Oh no.
Ellis,
No one winning. No one winning.
you were complaining about his health and then you do that.
Yeah, you.
I didn't want to go for you. Let's get him.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, he's got the accolade. Got
Yeah.
the accolade.
10, wait, I don't.
I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to chill.
Oh my god. Right on the chair.
Oh no.
Don't
no,
worry, I'll take
please,
it off.
have mercy. No, I'm taunting. Oh, fine.
Got me when I was taunting, so I'll get you.
Have it your way.
I'm already on rage.
No,
I'm already on
let's not
rage.
have it
So
your
was
way.
I, Ellis.
I know, please stop.
I'll stop.
Reverses it.
Oh.
He reverses it.
Oh,
Save Ben, someone save Ben.
Nah.
I will remember this, Callum.
Slam right there. There is no
There's a little mistake. He's probably the only one who can like beat Thanos.
I
I hit him. He's down. Get the gauntlet off.
Get him, boys!
I remember what you did.
Now, all I did was just watch. I didn't do anything.
Exactly, you didn't do anything. Ah!
There, I did something, Ben. Oh god!
Hey, buddy.
Oh shit.
You brought this on yourself.
Oh,
Please.
nice knowing you, Ellis.
Please no.
Nice knowing you, Ellis.
Please no. Not the goons. Oh.
That was actually a gut headbutt.
Sure it was. Sure it was.
His clothesline finds the mark.
Remember this?
Oh fuck.
I don't.
Do you really want me to get you in mine?
I meant to do the other one, but I forgot it's the X one. Oh, that's where I thought it was square.
This
Not
guy's on.
by mistake. Should we
He's
use
not
that other
looking
boy?
good here, Byron. No,
I ain't doing anything.
but he's got to get up now.
I didn't mean to do
Finds
this.
himself in some big
Ow.
trouble. This is an incredibly bad
Oh,
spot
both
for
up.
him to be in here in this four-way
Yeah, it's
match.
smashing in.
Almost all the social
Have fun, Lewis.
activity I saw heading into this
Yes!
Damn it!
Yes!
Damn it!
Yes! I'll take the break over here, thank you very much.
But don't forget, guys.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, not the gut. Not the gut. Please, Benjamin, I yield. I yield!
No union for you.
He's lurking on the edge of the ring.
Hey, I'm
Pay attention.
He's texting.
He's texting.
What?
Benjamin, is that
You saw that, right, Cal?
Yes.
Oh!
And for that I must beat you, Ben!
Oh, come on, that reached.
The unfortunate reality is he might not get
I
up.
was,
Gotcha.
about, I was about to throw it over.
He's dazed, Dennis. Get him.
Do something. Oh! That fucking got me.
Remember, though, there are no timeouts in WWE.
Yes. Attack. Oh, that thing.
You know he's texting us.
It's transpired thus far. It's been so
I'm moving him. I'm moving him. Oh! I didn't hit you. I remember that. I didn't hit you. Remember, Scott, I didn't hit you.
He's still not moving, guys.
Let's get to the ring, shall we?
Worth
Hey,
every
buddy.
second.
Guys, I don't want to alarm you, but he's got three finishes.
He's doing a poison
He has
kill,
3
man.
finishes.
No.
Fuck me.
No. Ugh.
Callum has
Sound
3
like
finishes.
orgasm.
3 finishes.
Ugh.
I got you now.
Ugh.
Hang on, I'll pick you up, Ellis. Oh, you. Okay.
Ugh.
Usually you get up stunned.
And he's heading back in.
Callum, don't do anything, please. Callum, what the?
Oh,
Yes.
Oh, please.
I had 2
Please, I'm begging
finishes
you.
ready.
Oh.
He did it!
You fucking.
The hero comes through. Oh, shit, no.
It's Sarah.
That's what.
I own the ring.
I'm not afraid of you. Ah.
Nice.
This is absolutely not how he
Ah.
Ben, I was
This is how
about
we
to
do.
go in there, Ben.
You ruined my chance for a double finisher.
Worth it.
Come on, get the fuck up. Feel the power.
This is my ring.
back between the ropes.
Oh no.
Yes.
No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
This is what I would do!
Alright, we don't have to worry about him for a while.
Oh.
Ugh.
Don't worry about Chocolate Thunder going on the
No,
floor.
no, no. Yes. Knee him in the face.
He controls the pace of a match.
Insecurity.
This guy.
Benjamin, no.
You just gave me another finisher.
With a click of his fingers, he can
Oh.
finish all of
Now,
us.
Byron. Things
Get him, ref.
definitely very good for
Thank
him
you.
right now.
Random.
Oh, blimey. Ah,
He weaponizes the ref.
It
does.
works.
Yes.
He's looking at it.
no. I wasn't looking.
Well, that's your problem. not mine.
Oh shit.
I'm stuck.
Come on.
Try to
Damn it.
Are we on eliminations or what?
No.
No.
Oh fuck.
He can't believe it. He's trying
Oh, what the fuck?
That's me done. I'm going to reply to people on Messenger.
He's not getting up.
Nope. Nope.
Right now.
Oh.
Doesn't show any signs
Oh
of getting
fuck.
up here,
It's
guys.
not letting me.
No, he's taking one
Ah,
heck
that's
of a
why.
beating, Michael.
I forgot how to fucking.
Going for the double play with this move.
I forgot to change the thing.
How?
There you go. I got it.
Choco, Cuckold,
No, he's
either
gotta
one
get
of you.
up. He's got to get up now. Look
Fuck.
at this.
My hero. Ah, I hate him so much. What a cuck.
Come on, cuckold.
Shoulders down, is it enough?
Get the fuck up.
Two.
Use it.
Got the shoulder up the very last moment. What a kick out. Still trying to get back.
I'm rolling in blood, but doesn't matter.
Clearly in a bad.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
Wait for it, there's more!
And there's
How did I reverse that?
NASA. We have touchdown. He's in trouble.
Callum,
Get him, get him, get him.
Callum behind you.
Oh, I got both of us.
Let it happen. Let it happen. Damn
I saved you, Ben. I saved you from that, Ben. And that's how you repay me.
He just barged into me and I was down.
Oh, cool! I got some space between us.
it. Callum.
Hey, buddy.
I'm not sticking you again, Ben. You let that happen to me.
No.
Okay.
What's happening to the text?
Stuff is happening to the sex. That was a mistake.
The mistake is a mistake.
No, you son of a bitch, I had him.
Mistake.
No, you can't.
There you go, Ben.
Okay, we're even, Callum.
Oh.
We're even. I just need to get up now.
No, ah!
Hey, buddy, want another nut shot?
No. He got me in the swing.
Time for a spin.
Oh, fuck, I
next.
missed. I missed.
It's like the love he feels, short but sweet, swinging around the benches. Here we go. Oh!
I told him that move.
Yeah, I learned that from the mistake. Ah!
Oh, fuck that.
I was going to go for another double shot.
Yes. Goodbye.
Did I get him? Okay, I got
Oh, fuck.
him. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
What are you doing?
Definitely aren't looking very good for him right now.
Oh no. Are you seriously gonna?
If I can do it, Callum, let it happen. Please.
Scott, we have to work
Please.
together.
Yes.
Is this a?
I'm
Yes, it is.
strong.
He's got us.
I'm strong.
Oh shit.
Jesus
Oh my god.
Uh,
Oh my god.
Hey!
Roll. Roll. You
Ta-da!
Scott.
Yeah, I'll join you on that one, Ben. I'll join you.
Okay.
Damn it.
You fucked it up.
I think I need to target you when you're up. I don't do it to the down ones.
There
Yeah.
you go.
I only do it to people who are up.
Worth it.
Hey there, boy.
No. I just got back.
Ugh.
Oh, fuck.
Good off.
Is this how you want to do this?
That's his battle cry. Ah.
Oh. Oh no.
Hello there.
Hi,
Oh,
Cal.
fuck.
How you doing?
I have no idea how this works for me.
Ugh. Hey Alice, how you doing,
Pretty
buddy?
good, man.
Let me
In
No.
another corner.
I'm gonna throw you into another corner. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna die now. Goodbye. Yep, I knew it. You idiot.
Hey there, boy. Oh, fuck.
Cute boy.
Motherfucker.
Oh, finally. Can you feel it, people? Can you
yes.
sound sweet tune from the radio? Oh,
No. I'll give you some sweet tunes.
Come on, get him!
Hey, guys.
Mistake, get him.
wait, what? Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh, I have 2 minutes to fucking breathe.
Wait, what?
I'll take it.
What? I'm so confused. What?
Um,
Hold on. I need to get a breather. Callum, what happened?
I don't know. Okay, I pressed L1 because I thought it would like bounce you into
Oh,
the
that was a
slot.
mistake.
I feel bounced you into the
guys.
slot.
Not
No,
even.
I can't recover Ellis's.
Ugh.
Ellis's messaging even though,
No.
you know, Scott could have just pinned you out there.
Ugh.
not good.
Uh-oh. It was nice knowing you guys.
Oh, fuck. I was stuck on signature.
Ow.
You're lucky. Man.
Ellis, you're up.
Man. Fuck!
Sorry, mistake, but it has to be done. Ugh.
Dark Souls.
Ow.
I'm just gonna wait a minute. There we go. Down you go.
Hey there, Chucker
Oh
boy.
man, if I wasn't stuck on signature right then.
I know. I got lucky.
So very
Uh-oh.
lucky.
Yes,
Yes, yes,
no.
yes, yes. Can I do my one? Oh,
No,
damn it,
on the
you're both
face.
not facing the right way. Not facing the right way.
Well,
just ran the tails behind.
Yes.
Hey, buddy.
Just been even more physical than I thought it would be.
Oh, I see how
Hi.
that's how it is, huh?
Hi! How are you? Oh, god damn it. Oh.
Oh, you. No.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
This is my ring.
No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That wasn't even fucking poison claw.
Oh, you were doing the
I was doing the
punch.
strong punch. You could have let that happen and nothing would have been nice.
I didn't realise.
How do you not realise? Did you see any poison claws?
The poison claw starts with pow.
I'm so glad I knocked out the ref.
Oh, fuck. We will still pay for that.
Uh-oh.
Get there.
Same move.
There's the elbow drop. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kick.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Ah, my beautiful face.
As this guy. We've seen it.
Ow.
Bye,
Oh, I'm down. Okay.
Wait, what? What?
I'm down.
It's like you're destined to fucking lay on the floor
Every
unconscious.
time. I'm not supposed to win these games.
Destined for that, Ellis. I'm fine, we're both getting up at the same time.
But I've got the ropes.
Goes for the finisher. And
We said
what
that.
happens, you can bet this one's over.
Oh, fuck me.
Is that an option?
What move do you use to fuck Ellis? Every button. Oh no.
Oh.
Ah,
Bad. No, Ben.
Yes.
God damn you.
Yes, yes, yes.
one of you will die. I don't know which
You
one.
didn't
but
target
one.
the wrong one.
I don't care. I said one
Get
of you.
Choco, he's right there.
You
Ah!
can do it.
Yeah.
Oh my
Close to
nose! Again!
I'm quite liking the full Ben.
Too bad. You gotta get up.
Fine. I'll get up.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Ellis. We could have done a double. You know, I'm just gonna leave.
I'm gonna get there eventually! Continuously fucking kicking like this until a result comes.
This is my ring.
Callum, what is he doing?
Showing very few signs of life here.
You'll see an Enziguri hit any minute now.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
Fuck!
I'm trying to target the mistake. It was target
Ah.
the mistake.
These are all yours, mistake. You have a finisher? Yeah, you do.
Yeah, I do.
I just let it happen. Never
My
mind.
hero. Thank you.
This could be it.
Why you do this to me, Eric Chan?
Oh!
I'm not getting you there
Ah!
anymore.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck him, shit! Get him!
No,
Get on it,
stop.
Rev!
Get him,
Get him! 1, 2, 3! Oh my god, I won!
Callum, you handled it!
I won!
Get him, get him.
I won! Because of magnificent of all moves.
That's my beat. I thought I could get that.
You were wrong.
Yes, I was.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Look, I took a calculated guess, but forgot I was bad at maths. Alright?
I didn't even get to roll in the hay.
I didn't get to use the fucking chocolate thunder bomb. Just one in.
The face.
That's it, that's it. Goes for the money, doesn't care about the flash, just wants the money, the win. The W, mate. Going for it, mate. Yeah, Mum, you see that? I won.
Another one.
Another one. Another win. Another win. Racking them up.
Much blood, so much face.
Look at him. He's bleeding mud, blood and money.
Rematch?
You'll lose.
Do we have to fight each other?
Yes.
Can't we all just
Can't we be
get along?
friends and be a team?